In this video, I'm going to solve the ALEKS problem called converting between common logarithmic and exponential equations. To solve this problem, you are going to need to know the relationship between logs and exponential functions. That relationship is log base A of a number c is equal to b, and the corresponding exponential equation is a to the b is equal to c. In this problem, you're going to be given an expression in either this format or this format, and you're asked to convert it from one to the other. So for my problem, I have been given a number that is in exponential notation, and I'm being asked to write it as in log notation. Now, one of the things that I want to point out to you is that if a is 10, then in the log function here, so if we have the log base 10 of some number c, that the 10 is typically going to be left out. It's just going to say log of c. So if you are having a problem where you're missing a number in this spot, you can just assume that that number is 10. It's going to kind of set that off to the side. So I have been given this number, exponential notation, 10 to the x equals 7, and that corresponds to the a to the b equals c notation, and I'm being asked to convert it into this notation, log of a c equals b. So in my situation, the value of a is 10. I'm going to fill that in, log base 10. The value x is in place of b, so we'll put that over here. That equals x. And 7 is my c, which goes in this spot right here. I'm just going to kind of condense this together. And again, if our base is 10, we don't have to include that in the log expression. So my answer, I could write it as log base 10 of 7 is equal to x. That would be allowed. Or I could write it as log of 7 equals x. Now, it's not asking me to solve for x, it just wants me to rewrite it in that logarithmic expression.